the polynomial using structure. So the program is polynomial addition and evaluation of the polynomial using structure. So hash include प्रकार बराबर ना stdio.h hash include audio.h. Then I will be writing struct poly प्रकार. Okay, I will declare the first thing, that is the first data number in data or in coefficient ना. दूसरा क्या आएगा power x⁻1. So each term is one variable of the structure, and then प्रकार I will be yes. Because then what? Now suppose I want to declare any variable of this structure, I write struct poly and suppose anything. But here I will have to write, now I can directly write poly without writing structure. That's the only thing. Nothing else. Means I can directly write poly and n. Because I just means we are defining, so poly is now stands for structure only. But here I will need to always write struct poly and n. उतना ही टाइम क्यों सकते? That is the only thing. Because otherwise everything मतलब one means poly is always the name of a structure in that. जो भी है poly हो या जो भी हो, तो student हो, clear brother? Okay, now let us continue. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Now I will declare a variable called flag. I will tell you why I am using flag. Now see, here as you know, in the addition, it is why it is more tougher than the multiplication, because in addition I can add only those terms whose power is the same. So here I will use one flag proper, means has that term already been active? अगर उसका flag 0 means no and 1 means so active. So here we can write a poly अपना P and suppose 100 elements. This is the capacity initial. Now here I will be writing my first method add poly, and in the add poly we will be passing the struct poly and just one second, ये एक array है and I will have to declare two arrays for it. बराबर ना? So initially we will keep it 10 only, unnecessarily waste of run everything, because the first poly will be P1 program, right? We can name it suppose 20 now, and then P2 is also 20. Understood now? So my first poly will contain the first polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c या जो भी है. Second will contain the second poly. So add करते वक्त I must pass array, again I must pass प्रकार array है, बराबर ना? हो गया ना? Both the arrays and one more thing. What I can pass? n1 and n2. n1 and n2 are the number of terms in the first and second polynomial. Now, void calculate underscore value. Again, here I will be passing only one polynomial because we need to calculate value of only one array and int process. Int again is the number of terms. उसके बाद let us start void main के अंदर अरे right. So n1 in that we pass, then we polynomial. Okay. Now यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? In n1 n2. Then I will be writing here now printf and enter the number of terms of the first polynomial. So now I will be writing scanf प्रकार बराबर percentage d and ampersand n1 ना right? Now I will be calling this function called calculate value, cal value, and I will be passing P1 और उसके बाद N1 ना पड़ा. Now I will be calling the get ch function. Okay, means first I will calculate the value of the any polynomial. I can pass P1 also and P2. But before that, what must I do? I must accept input. So printf rather for I equal to 0, I less than N1 and I plus plus. Now here I will be displaying this message. Enter the what प्रकार था? बस आठवं बस मी आता बोलतो. Just 2 minutes प्रकार. And power और the with some percentage this term प्रकार बराबर. फॉर्मा यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? प्रकार I plus 1 ना? Because I won't know because it starts from 0. So then क्या है उसके बाद क्या आएगा? परसेंटेज डी एंड एम्परसेंड P1 of I we need 2 percentage. Now what are the data numbers? Coefficient and power. Okay. So I will be writing ampersand P1 of I dot coefficient again ampersand P1 of I dot power understood प्रकार बराबर क्या? Now I will go to the cal value and cal value में क्या आएगा? void calculate underscore value struct उसके बाद poly और what's the name? struct poly प्रकार बराबर ना? हाँ poly and array. So P ऐसे P10 लेते हैं ठीक है? and N10. Now N10 will contain the value and P10 will contain the base address. उसके बाद I will be writing a variable called value प्रकार. उसके बाद now I must calculate the power. So for that I will take an variable called x. उसके बाद we will be writing print enter the value of x. Am I right प्रकार? Because it will be ax squared plus bx plus c. Then I will be writing scan x और उसके बाद क्या आएगा? परसेंट डी एंड एम्परसेंड x. ठीक है, यहाँ तक समझे प्रकार. अभी मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I will need to go to every term. So let us start. For I equal to 0, I less than N10 and I plus plus. And your प्रकार I will be writing यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? P10 और I, but I'll take like this. Let me take a variable called power now. Okay, and coefficient और नहीं x है x रहेगा. तो x raised to power होना चाहिए बराबर ना? x raised to power. पावर वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया है यहाँ पर. ओके रेंज हाँ रेंज नहीं है. दैट इज दिस पावर इज अ डेटा नंबर of the polynomial. I am taking my own variable. I won't take it as power. I will take it power 1. ठीक है ना प्रकार? It's a local variable of the calculator. Now I am saying for the sake of the continuum. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? power 1 equal to poly of I poly 10 ठीक है ना प्रकार of I dot power. Now I must calculate what can be the x raised to power बराबर नहीं? x raised to power ना नहीं ठीक है ना? माइनस का उसका पावर है. वेरिएबल का पावर 1 एनी वेरिएबल है लोकल वेरिएबल. नाउ आई मस्ट कैलकुलेट एम राइट x रेज टू पावर 1 बराबर ना? इफ x इज 2 सपोज इट विल बी ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस 2. इफ x इज 2 आई मस्ट कैलकुलेट 2 रेज टू 3. जो भी x विल रिमेन द सेम ना करो बट पावर विल बी डिफरेंट ऑफ ईच टर्म. नाउ अंडरस्टूड प्रकार कि I विल गो टू एवरी टर्म ना 1 by 1 एंड दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स प्रकार. Now उसके बाद what are the how now I will be writing one more for loop for calculating the power of x raised to power 1. उसके लिए लिखा थी तो वेरिएबल j. तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? j equal to 1. We have done this program in for loop power का, but I tell you again. So j is equal to 1. Now what is meant by a raised to b program? A raised to b means A multiplied by itself B test. तो यहाँ पर क्या क्या लेकर सी ना J less than equal to 1. What is B in this case? So power 1 na? And J plus plus. One more thing I will need to write one variable here. Let me take ये x to a. Now प्रकार I will take देखो power 2 equal to 1. Why? The power 2 will store the final value of x raised to power 1. Power 2 will store the after that the inner value terminates प्रकार. Power 2 will store the understood ना the final value of x raised to power 1. So its addition value is 1. And उसके बाद what are you doing now? देखो प्रकार यहाँ पर. Okay, now here I will be writing, बताओ मुझे power 2 equal to power 2 multiplied by which variable? Will it not be j प्रकार? बराबर ना सी, I have taken j equal to 1, नहीं power 2 into x. बराबर ना? Suppose x is 2 and power 1 is 3, so loop कितने बार होगा? 3 times. Now first time it runs power 2 is 1 into 2 is 2 is again assigned to power 2. Again now 2 is 2 4 7. Now understood ना brother? And last time 8. जगह clear ना? उसके बाद so I need to declare some variables. I am j बराबर है. Okay. And then when I come out of this loop, I will need to multiply value of the power 2 by the what telling the current value of c can आएगा कोई भी. So I will use one more way. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Product equal to power 2 multiplied by what प्रकार? C cannot I dot प्रकार कोई भी चीज नहीं बराबर नहीं power into कोई भी चीज and this I will need to add to the value ना प्रकार final value उसका addition होगा ना सब. So I will be writing value equal to बताओ मुझे value plus what प्रकार product ना प्रकार understand होगा. And again when I come down I must reinitialize power 2 back to what प्रकार 1 की रहे for the new term का power ना. So this is how we calculating. मतलब clear ना? मतलब the outer loop we go to each new term and उसका power inner loop calculate करा प्रकार and that I am adding to the value variable. Understood प्रकार? बाकी everything is fine. I think power 2 we have initialized to 1. Power 1 we will be the value of p channel by the power. उसके बाद finally I will need to declare one more variable that is product प्रकार. ठीक है ना? And when I come out of this, I will just display on the screen. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? The value of the polynomial is percentage d comma value ना प्रकार value. प्रकार understood ना? Value. Better we take it as the long game. So I take LD प्रकार because its value may be large. So again here I must declare it of which data प्रकार long game. प्रकार understood ना? Surely long game. Okay. ये हो गया. एक बार confirm कर दे सब कुछ. Right. Now our last is the addition. So for that purpose I will be calling add underscore value P1, P2, N1 and N2. So I will go down and add poly है ना brother? Is it not add poly? Okay. So I will be calling the function add poly and now let me write the function text. So here what will I write? Void add underscore poly. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? struct poly है. Suppose P11 लेता हूँ. Array. Again I will be writing struct poly and P12 ना brother? Array. Again I will be writing N11 and N12. Now देखो प्रकार. How do you do addition? First I will scan the entire. I will compare each term of the first with second. And all the uncommon terms of the first I will directly put in the third. That is addition. बराबर ना? तो उसमें common मतलब in terms of power. So suppose there is no power 3 in the second. Then directly third will first का third power will put as it is. That entire term as it is in the addition. Same way I will do for the which polynomial for the second polynomial. I will scan the entire second with each term of the second by comparing it with the first. और उसके सारे जो uncommon terms है that will go in the addition. And then I will write one more for loop. Got it ना? Where I will again scan from the first and if it is matching with anything in the second polynomial, I will be adding that and finally when an inner for loop vector, I will be adding that again as a new term in the third. मतलब I need 3 for loops for this. एक मतलब for uncommon terms of the first, second for uncommon terms of the second, and then third for the common term. मतलब common term मतलब actually addition. Understood? So here I will be writing int I. Okay. Now ये देखो brother, I j k लेते, okay, and your first I will be declaring a struct, suppose add brother, okay, and struct polygon add, and let me take its size 100. Now for I equal to 0, I less than n 11 बराबर and I plus plus. So here I will be taking a variable called, will not need, suppose a flag one variable, ठीक है बराबर, initial value इसकी क्या होगी 0. Okay, now here I will be first taking, यहाँ पर क्या आएगा is C11 of, and one more thing, inner for loop also I will need ना बराबर, इसके अंदर जो for लगे for scanning all the terms of the second. तो इसमें क्या आएगा j equal to 0, j less than n12 and j plus plus. Understood brother? हाँ semicolon. Here I will be writing if C11I is equal to P12 of j, then we will be making value of flag variable as 1, and then I will be writing the break statement. बराबर ना brother? एंड सब कुछ ये देखो, सब कुछ कंपेयर करने के बाद अगर फ्लैग अभी भी 0 है आफ्टर द इनर फॉर लूप बट इनसाइड द आउटर फॉर लूप ब्रदर, तो आई विल बी राइटिंग फ्लैग इज स्टिल 0, देन प्रकार आई विल बी डायरेक्टली एडिंग बराबर ना दैट टर्म. सो इसमें क्या होता है मुझे, आई विल बी राइटिंग एडिशन ऑफ के. लेट मी टेक वन मोर वेरी. सो इसका के का इनिशियल इंडेक्स क्या होगा 0. तो एडिशन ऑफ के और डॉट क्या ऐसा मतलब मुझे प्रकार है डॉट पहले कोई भी ना प्रकार डॉट कोई भी इक्वल टू P11 ऑफ, हाँ बराबर ना, P11 आई डॉट अगेन कोई भी. उसके बाद क्या आएगा एडिशन ऑफ के डॉट पावर इक्वल टू P11 ऑफ आई डॉट power. Understood? And then I will be writing k plus plus to the next term for the next term, and then again outside this if not I will be reinitializing flag that to 0. ठीक है brother, ये हो गया हमारा इसका. Again I will write one more for loop now. So you can just copy this now, and इसके अंदर क्या है कभी उल्टा ना brother, मतलब here I better write again flag is again 0. Now outer for loop will be I equal to 0, I less than n12, and inner for loop will be n11, and here I will be writing P12 ना brother is equal to बराबर ना P11 of j, flag is 1 break, and else I will be writing, यहाँ पर क्या प्रकार P12 ना again P12 प्रकार अंडरस्टूड ना, ये हो गया, and flag back to 0. हो गया ना ये सेकंड, and last for loop will be for the addition प्रकार. So again I can just paste it here, and addition के लिए क्या होगा, now if now यहाँ पर I will be taking a variable called int addition 1, suppose, or sum 1, sum equal to 0 बराबर. Now inside it is found that इसका एक्चुअली नहीं ये हमारा थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया प्रकार. शुड भी मतलब सही है, ओनली एक फोकस हो रहा है कोई प्रकार पावर ना, पावर अगर मैच हो रहा है ना, नॉट द टर्म, बिकॉज द टर्म मे नॉट बी सेम ना, बिकॉज उनका कोई भी अलग हो सकता है. अगेन योर एम मत रहे, यहाँ पर भी प्रकार पावर आएगा ना डॉट पावर, एंड यहाँ पर भी डॉट पावर प्रकार अंडरस्टूड क्यों, एंड नीचे भी क्या हुआ था मुझे नीचे. Now in the same way I will be writing if it is dot power equal to dot power, then I will be एडिंग इट करते बराबर. तो इसमें क्या है बताओ मुझे. फोर सम इक्वल टू सम प्लस सी 11 ऑफ आई डॉट बराबर ना बराबर. कोई भी फिर प्लस क्या बताओ मुझे. सी 12 यू आर राइट ऑफ आई डॉट कोई भी अंडर का प्रकार. बट आई विल बी रिमूविंग विथ स्टेटमेंट ब्रेक बिकॉज और बहुत सारे काम होते हैं विद द सेम पावर. सो टिल एवरीथिंग इज डन इन द सेकेंड बराबर ना प्रकार. एंड डू इट एंड देन फाइनली ये हो गया. ओके एंड व्हेन आई कम आउट ऑफ दिस वाइल लूप आई विल बी रिमूविंग दिस बराबर. इंस्टेड आई विल बी पुटिंग ई फ्लैग इज 1. सो आई मस्ट मेक द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्लैग एज 1 ना प्रकार बराबर ना. मतलब मैच हो रहा है ना पावर. देन आई विल बी राइटिंग फाइनली एड ऑफ के डॉट कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल टू यहाँ पर विल इट नॉट बी सम प्रकार सम ना सम हो जाएगा. एंड एड ऑफ दिस इज ओके ना प्रकार इट इज इक्वल टू इधर P11 और P11 बट P11 आएगा बराबर. P11 ऑफ पावर क्लियर प्रकार. एंड योर अगेन आई विल राइट ओके फ्लैग इक्वल टू 0 एंड अगेन सम इक्वल टू 0. सम मत हो तो 0 ना प्रकार. व्हाट इज न्यू पावर व्हाट इज ना हो गया. एंड के प्लस प्लस एवरीथिंग इज डन. लेट मी कंफर्म वन या एंड टू एंड. ओके एंड नाउ प्रकार आई एम रेडी विथ माय पॉलिनोमियल बट ओनली थिंग इज दैट आई मस्ट सॉर्ट इट इन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द पावर बराबर ना. मुझे तो P12 इज रेडी नाउ नॉट P12 द एडिशन पॉलिनोमियल बट इन एनी रैंडम ऑर्डर ऑफ द पावर. तो अगर प्रॉपर आउटपुट दिखाना है तो सॉर्ट इट बराबर प्रकार दैट एरे इन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द पावर. तो योर लेट अस स्टार्ट. हाँ ये भी रन होगा बट इट विल लुक रैंडमली. इसमें कम 7 4 ऐसा हो सकता है. हाँ ओके आउटपुट आ रहे थे. ओके तो मैं ऐसा करता हूँ कि लेट मी फर्स्ट सेव दिस नाउ. ओके ओके सेव इट नाउ प्रकार. एंड सी ड्राइव पर टर्बो C++ में डिस्क में ओके. so here I will save it as the is it fine poly ना प्रकार poly.c रहता मैं. ओके तो लेट मी जस्ट रन दिस प्रोग्राम. मे बी एक दो ये भी आ सकता है एरर्स मतलब कंपाइल एरर्स में कम बिकॉज आई थिंक आई वांट टू वेरिएबल आई स्टिल हैवंट डिक्लेयर. कम डिक्लेयर किया था बट इन द मेन फंक्शन. ठीक है अभी देख सकते हैं. ओपन नहीं डॉट सी भी किया था मैंने. तो इट इज डॉट सी. So let me compile it first. Alt F9 3 yeah. So main के function में I have not declared the variable I. Then after that again I will compile the program flag. So I have okay it is flag 1 actually. So I write यहाँ पर प्रकार flag और I can make here बराबर ना. Here I can make it flag ना बराबर. Okay this is done. Okay. Then one error declaration is right here. So I must declare this. I think I already declared it. तो मैंने लिया था सर देखते नहीं लिया. So I will declare a variable called your sum. तो अगर अंडरस्टूड ना equal to 0. सेव करता हूँ. अगेन लेट मी कम. हाँ हाँ नहीं I just declare all variables at the start of the function definition ना. ठीक है ना सब क्लियर ना. ओके नाउ लेट मी जस्ट रन दिस प्रोग्राम. ओके तो सपोज आई एंटर नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स दैट सपोज मैं 3 टर्म्स एंटर करता हूँ. अभी देखो कोई विषय मैं पाऊँ. तो अगर मैंने कोई विषय लिया 10 लेट मी टेक सम पावर लाइक लेट मी टेक अ रैंडम पावर 3 प्रकार चलेगा 10 and 3. उसके बाद सेकेंड टर्म का सपोज 7 लेता हूँ और 1 लेता हूँ. और थर्ड टर्म का 6 and 2 करता. ओके so कौन से पावर है 3 1 and 2. okay now value of x था. so if I enter I'll take it 1 is it fine और 2 ले दो. तो अभी इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा देखो मैडम. फर्स्ट हाँ I'll tell you one minute just can you do it. so you are not having calculator. okay तो नहीं because इसका rather one minute it will be what प्रकार 2 10 into we can do दो नहीं होता 10 into 2 raised to 3 2 raised to 3 से 8 ना. 10 into 8 is 80 बराबर 80 हो गया. उसके बाद plus 7 into 2 raised to 1, so 14. So 94 होगा. And then 94 plus 6 into 2 raised to 2 प्रकार. So 2 raised to 2 is 4, 24, 118 आना चाहिए. It's gone into infinite loop. 100. I think I have not terminated the program somewhere. It's got hanged actually. Just let me check the program once again. Okay. Just let me confirm one. G drive, turbo C++, D, turbo C3, B. कौन सा था वो? Okay, poly. Okay, so looks like ये calculate था. So I have done J equal to 1. J बेटो कोई नहीं नोट था थोड़ा और दिखा. Okay, so here it got stuck in this loop again. Looks like ऊपर वाला ये वाला. So let me just confirm. ये मैंने क्या किया था? I equal to 0 n10. मैंने n10 ही पास किया. n1 का वैल्यू n10 में गया. Okay. Can it okay less than n1 and I plus percent d and also n1. Okay, that is okay. Power okay. Now your brother, what have I done? I have done I equal to 0, I less than n10 and I plus and power 1 equal to P10 of I dot power. Okay, then for j equal to 1, j less than equal to power 1. Right. And j plus and here I what have I done? Power 2 equal to power 2 into x. So वही बराबर. Then I have written product equal to power 2 बराबर multiplied by P10 of I dot कोई नहीं है and value जो कि 0 था equal to value plus product. And then I have done power equal to power 2 back to 1 बराबर था. फिर और नीचे यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम है. यहाँ पर भी नहीं हो रहा प्रॉब्लम कुछ. परसेंटेज में इनपुट में एम्परसेंट भी दिया है. कॉल वैल्यू कॉल किया. एक आइडिया का स्टेप बाय स्टेप. आई नो वेरी गुड गेटिंग स्टफ. मतलब स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम उसे एक्सटेंड डाला. तो एटलीस्ट आई विल नो दैट वेरी गुड गेटिंग स्टफ एंड दैट मिस्टेक आई कैन करेक्ट. ओपन. तो देखो चलिए F7. Okay. Now suppose I enter 3 terms. So let me take the coefficient as 2 and power as 3. Okay. Then second ka again I will be entering now coefficient as 3, power as 2. And then the third one 4 and suppose I take 1. Okay. Yeah, it is called the call value function. And now prasar in the call value. Okay, it should run 3 times, because 3 terms are there. Now enter the value of x. Suppose enter value of x as 2. Okay, now I equal to 0, I less than n10. Okay, now power 1. Now I think first term के लिए कितना था बोले? First term के लिए power was 3 ना बराबर. So inner loop should run 3 times, बराबर. हाँ. Okay, power 2 equal to P10 of I. Okay, so the value second time. Okay, and then third time. Okay, and प्रिंट है. अभी इसका आउटपुट क्या देखते हैं? इतना बड़ा नहीं है, मतलब कुछ गार्बेज हो गया. Okay, is it because I have taken it long in? Let me just confirm one. See, I have taken this as long in, then I have used percentage ND. And इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. नहीं, it gives that same data, base value only. But actually, see, I will display it using LD. It's not a problem. LD is problem. एक कर सकते हैं, if I try using int, let me check one, int करते हैं, but I don't think it should matter. मैंने इसका रिजल्ट एक्चुअली क्या आना चाहिए, लेट अस कंफर्म. हाँ, एंड वन मोर थिंग, it is not using this power properly looks like this power one, because the inner first time it will run 3 times, but looks like it ran only once. बराबर, first time I saw it ran मतलब because but it ran 3 times only. So there is a problem with this power which I am accepting. एक idea है, when I am accepting I will also first display process, ठीक है. तो मैं ऐसा करता हूँ, you can copy this. This symbol print है, यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, दो current terms are. Now again I will be writing printf and so the coefficient and the power of the percentage of r, उसके बाद क्या आएगा प्रकार, again percent d and percent, बराबर. Then I will be writing, यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, p ने poly, यहाँ पर poly 1 ना, p1 लगता. Let me just confirm one. हाँ, p1 यहाँ पर p1 of I will be writing here I dot पहले क्या आएगा, कोई भी, तो COEF, हाँ बराबर, and p1 of I dot power. हाँ हाँ, p1 of I dot आना चाहिए. Okay, and then नीचे when I come down here I can directly remove this statement. Okay, position. Okay, now let us confirm this. So what I'll do as of now, I will comment this. Okay, this and this. Now again I will run, suppose I enter the 3 terms, suppose 3 and 2 and 3, 1 and 1. बराबर आएगा ब्रदर, these are coming correct. Now I have called the call value, तो उसमें मैंने p1 पास किया and n1. So okay, I have taken. Now let me do one thing. Let me take it as int value first. Okay. Now let me run it again. So F7 दबाता हूँ. Okay. So suppose I enter only 2 terms. 2 terms के लिए. Now let us run this now. Coefficient 3 power suppose 2 लेते हैं. 2 and 3. Okay. Now one देखना. Now प्रॉब्लम इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा बताओ मुझे. हाँ, here I have not asked. एक मिनट, I think I have by mistake system comment. हाँ नहीं, I haven't commented that. Okay, so now I will enter a value of suppose 3 bracket. और ठीक है 3 now it will be first क्या आएगा 3. हाँ, 3 raised to 2 is 9. So 9 into 3 27. Okay, 27 plus 3 raised to 2 3 is 27 into 2 54, मतलब 81 है. 81. तो अभी देखिए इसका आउटपुट. अरे I have one level. I have not had this percent healthy होगी ना प्रकार. और ऊपर में हिंट दिया था. एक मिनट, बट एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक हाउ राइट. हाँ, तो क्लियर. अरे 15 से स्टार्ट. Again I started on the first now because I made some change in the code now. Okay, so let us take अभी 2 terms लेते. So 3 and 2, 2 and 3. Okay, now here suppose I enter it as 3. Now it will be 81 on the problem. 3 raised to, again let us confirm, 9, 81, 27. 3 raised to 27 is 81. So now let us confirm whether it is coming right or wrong. First time, okay, अभी देखिए आउटपुट क्या आएगा, आता है 81. Output is coming right. Maybe it was really that ओके मे बी दैट वाज आउट ऑफ द रेंज देन जो हमने लिया था एक बार, एक दिया था ना लास्ट टाइम, नहीं लॉन्ग नहीं दिया था ना. ओके ओके yes yes that should not fit in the नहीं but now it is coming actually. ठीक है मे बी कैन देन ऐड पॉलिनोमियल में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. ओके अभी एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. ओके नाउ हाँ ओके ऐड को मैंने कॉल ही नहीं किया. तो लेट मी जस्ट कंफर्म ऐड पॉलिनोमियल में सब कुछ बराबर है कि नहीं. नाउ सी व्हाट हैव आई डन. फ्लैग इज 0. So first what I have done paper, you have checked the uncommon terms of the first. So I equal to 0. Yeah, P1, P2, N1, N2. N1 means N1. J equal to. Then I have done is P11 I dot power is equal to P12 of J dot power. I have made flag as 1. And but I have not accepted in the second polynomial. No, I have not accepted input in the second. That's why it's handwritten here. Understood, brother? So what can I do? You can again copy this, na, brother? You are right, because we are accepted only for one polynomial. So actually I can do one thing. Now इसके बाद I can write. Now further which was brother? Second polynomial. Here I will be writing which variable now? N2. Again here N2 brother. And of the यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Only P2 आएगा ना पर here. P2 and here also I will be writing P2. Okay. Okay. Now it is correct. It will be correct I think, but still I'll confirm once again कि whether my addition is right or not. So let us confirm. अभी यहाँ पर okay that is okay. And if flag is 0 you have directly added बराबर brother. कोएफिशिएंट एंड पावर I का ऐड होगा k plus 4 एंड देन आई हैव डन द फ्लैग अगेन है 0 पर. उसके बाद सेकंड में नाउ उल्टा N12 and under will be N11 and here I have confirmed this P12 of I dot power is equal to P11 right of J dot power. I have made flag as 1. If it is still 0 yeah I'll be writing P12y and P12y. Okay, and then मैंने क्या किया sum equal to now 0 and here I have written I equal to 0, I less than N11. Okay, and I plus and उसके बाद J equal to 0, J less than N12. Okay, if P12 of P11 I is power. Okay, so then I will be adding brother those terms and and then when you come out of the loop if flag is 1 then I will be barabar is sum na and power is equal to power k plus I have made sum as 0. So it should come now and one more thing is left. I have not displayed addition. So that part only I can copy na brother that thing is not जो ऊपर था which where we have displayed the first polynomial. No, that is okay. I just display. I don't need to display even first polynomial actually. You just then I have to find this value and addition. So ठीक है. Now where was I? Okay. So I can just copy this entire thing प्रकार बराबर. Actually I can delete this one from here because हमें display क्या करना only addition. And नीचे you can paste it here and here I will be writing the current terms of the addition are and here instead of N1 I will be writing K ना brother बराबर कि नहीं K आएगा and then you will be writing here R. Okay, I plus 1 उसके बाद P 1 के बदले add ना brother add and here also I will be mentioning the pair now add. So let me save it now. add आएगा save it now. Compile. Okay. Now let us run this program and check RF in output. Okay. So suppose I enter the 3 data पहले. Okay. So 2 and उसके बाद 3. Then 3 and 2 and 1 and 4. Now इसका क्या आएगा ना बेटा value of suppose I put now देखो brother 6 raised to let me put 3 only. ठीक है brother. So 3 raised to 3 27 50 बराबर ना 50 वो then 3 raised to 2 9 into 3 is 27, so 81 है ना वही था, and 3/4 is I think 81, 162 ना बराबर ना 162, yeah right 162, and now enter the so suppose enter only, okay let me enter two terms second way. Now let me put one matching term and one unmatching. So suppose matching name I will put the coefficient as 6 suppose and the power as 3 बराबर, and second term के लिए I will put the coefficient as 1, power as suppose which you have not taken 3 2 लिया 4 था 1 and 1 चलेगा. Now इसका क्या आएगा लेटर से देखो इसमें I will be having first 1 1 तो आएगा देखो that's the uncommon term. Then I'll be having 3 and 2 brother. Then 1 and 4. But only for this I'll be having 8 brother. 8 and 3 no 2 plus 6 8. 2 plus 6 आएगा ना यहाँ पर 8 आएगा ना हाँ आएगा भी brother 8 and 3. So we have got our proper out. Understood ना brother? So only last step क्या बचा है sorting. Okay ये try that out. Sorting of coefficient. मतलब for that we can use any one sort logic and just for यहाँ पर क्या है if C1 of what is that I C1 add of I dot suppose select dot suppose add of I dot power is greater than add of J dot power, then from the value of add I and add J, not only power from the entire count understood na add of I will be started add of J. So instead of using that array element, the array is not added. Clear ना brother? उतना है ठीक है. So just try it out and try out multiplication. How we do multiplication now? See, I will be scanning the first array entirely, and when I scan the first array entirely, then I will be I will be multiplying it. Okay, each element of the first array with each element of the second array. We will see. I will do for loop. Outer for loop will select each element of the first array and multiplied by the power of all the elements of the second array, and then what we will do is that we will store because after product is coming, I have to add those terms with the common power. So I will use two arrays, one multi. This one is multiplication. So I'll be first roughly putting each element of the outer when I multiply it with the second. That I will directly put in the one by one, and then I will scan the entire one from the first. Now my second and loop will be for I equal to 0, I less than number of terms of 1 and I plus, and the inner for loop will be again j equal to I plus 1. And j less than number of terms of 2 and j plus, and then I will be adding them बराबर जिनका power same है and putting them in mul 2. And one more thing is that when I already access that term na mul 1 I must make the value of its flag as 1. If flag will लिया था उससे data पर mean that see suppose now I becomes 3 suppose, and suppose I3 का power for the fourth term power is 2, and suppose already I have accessed one element whose power is 2, मतलब फिर से I cannot add ना उसका addition होगा ना. See suppose the first term already having power 2 now already first term access होगा मतलब has been added to the other term जिनका power 2 है now again when I come to the fourth term I must not add मतलब उसके लिए what I should do, tell me that I should make the power of that of each matching term whenever it matches like that one मतलब वो तब already access होगा ठीक है. And only if it is not access then I must connect with all the elements of the inner for loop. Understood brother? We are try it out. If you have any doubts you can ask me tomorrow. Okay, so कल सुबह चलेगा brother. एक मिनट stop the recording. Okay.